Hi there, in this video we're going to show you how to set conditional redirect submission for Elementor Forms. It is based on conditions that your user can be redirected to one page or another. You are watching the sample. We've installed and activated the plugin in previous video, so we'll skip that part. Let's start by creating a new form. Then we navigate to Action after Submit. Click to plus icon. Choose Redirect Conditional Logic. Immediately, the Redirect Conditional Logic menu will appear. Enable Conditional Logic. Select Display Mode Redirect If and set condition. We paste the field ID first. Typing the value, choose operator, and at last, paste your link. Continuously do the same way for contact form 7 and not above answers. Update and have a preview. After you submit, you will be redirected to page. It ends here. Follow us to get new updates in the future. Thank you so much and have a nice day.